Thank you, sir. What I'll be saying is an extension to what respected Manish sir has just said. And standing at expressions, I'm going to express the progressions of Sagar Institute of Pharmacy and Technology, what it did in the last year. Hope you all are having a very joyous evening. Honorable Chief Guest sir, Guest of Honor, Chairman sir, Secretary sir, Executive Director sir, Kushwaha sir, all the principals and vice principals, head of the departments, faculties, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sagar Fiesta 2014. Sagar Institute of Pharmacy and Technology, it was established in the year 2008 with a vision to enhance the knowledge of pharmacy and health sciences to the society. And it's not a very easy task to do because health sciences and practicing the science related to hygiene has got too many of hassles to start with and even more hassles to continue with. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the management and Honorable Chairman sir to do it to the complete dexterity. The courses we offer, we had started with the B.Pharm course, that is the Bachelor in Pharmacy with an intake of 60. And proudly I announced that even in the first phase of the counseling last year, we had all the seats being completely filled up. The new course is Masters in Pharmacy with two subject specializations. One is pharmaceutics, another one is pharmaceutical technology, each comprising of 18 seats. Well, the new members, one is myself, I have joined in July 2013, and another assistant professor, Mrs. Richa Saxena, she has also accompanied me at the same time. Yes, this was the vision I was discussing about, catering the society with the education of life science, pharmaceutical science and health sciences. These are the academic achievers for the year 2013. And all these students have been duly awarded with the certificates of appreciation and mementos last night. This is probably since we had the advent of the post M.Pharm courses, so we were in the field of research and development right away. So we had started a lot of research and development activities. To say, in the paper publications, we have developed aromatherapy lab and mushroom cultivation. Out of the some papers, this is the paper that has really been commendable in the terms that a formulation for the wound healing has been formed, which has catered healing to all sorts of wounds, whether it was a burn wound, whether in the case of immunocompromised patients like diabetes, incision wounds, excision wounds, all types of wounds, and we are carrying forward the studies further for it. Aromatherapy, that is the therapy with the essence of volatile oils. We have started working on making an aromatherapy laboratory so that the essence of volatile oils can be used for the treatment of various ailments. Mushroom. Mushroom, it is a fungus that has been used for various types of diseases like cardiac diseases, AIDS and cancer. But the basic problem with this is how do we confer that the mushroom which we are using is not toxic. So we have started to cultivate the mushrooms in our own campus, and further we will be formulating the medicaments out of it. Well, these are the future plans for the year 2014-15 for the research and development activities. We are planning to head towards the laboratories, two in terms, which will give soilless cultivation to the plant. One is hydroponics and other one is aquaponics laboratory. Very compendiously, hydroponics, it is dealing with the cultivation of plants on the soilless media, where we will prevent the plant from any of the soil-borne diseases and enhance the activity of the plant. Aquaponics, this is quite an ambitious project where fishes would be, a fish tank would be definitely incorporated into the plant, and the waste of the fish would be in turn given to the plant in the form of its nutrient media, definitely using some bacteriological conditions. In terms of extracurricular activities, we have participated in seminars, sports, cultural and outdoor visits. Out of the few seminars, one we had from a research associate of the cardiology department, AIIMS, New Delhi, to enhance the features of clinical trials being catered to the students. Well, we have participated in all sports and cultural activities, and these are some of the pics. These are some of the places where our students have gathered some prizes. And our students have been to the PG Tech at Indore, where they have studied about the high performance liquid chromatography, a technique which uses analysis and isolation of plant techniques. Thank you, and hope you all have a very joyous evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We feel proud to be a part of SysTech. Thank you very much.
नागेंद्र हाराय, त्रिलोचनाय, भस्म अंग रागाय, दिगंबराय, महेश्वराय च ओम नमः शिवाय। फ्रेंड्स, अब बारी है एक ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस की जिसमें हम देखेंगे भगवान शिव के क्रोध और सुंदरता का अनोखा संगम। सागराइट्स तैयार हैं एक एनर्जेटिक परफॉर्मेंस के लिए।
Let us welcome Sagarites with different dance forms. Please guys, put your hands together for Sagarites.
Thank you so much. That was a scintillating performance, and this performance was coordinated by Priyadashika ma'am, Aditi ma'am, and Priya Budhani ma'am. Moving on, there is another wonderful personality in Sagar Group of Institutions whose ideas and methods have truly enabled the students to look beyond the boundaries. We are talking about none other than the Executive Director of Sagar Group of Institutions, Mr. Pawan Grover. So I feel really glad to invite him to share a few words with all of you and inspire us at this very joyous occasion. Please put your hands together for Pawan sir.
It's not working actually. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Swapna Adhikari, Mr. Dhananjay Pandey, Chairman Sir, Siddharth Ji, Kushwa Sir, my principals, vice principal colleagues, faculty members, other distinguished guests, and my dear students, very warm good evening to all of you and welcome to this wonderful night of Sagar Fiesta. I would like to keep my speech very short, otherwise this fiesta would start looking like a Sagar conference. So, we have had a lot of speeches before. But it has been really a wonderful night to be a part of this occasion, this celebration. And as it has been highlighted in the presentation of our principal, Dr. Manish, we have been working consistently in a lot of areas and trying hard to make sure that each child, each student gets motivation, guidance in whichever sphere he or she wants to excel in. As it was rightly said by our chief guest, that each student is unique and you have to find that talent, what you are good at, and then hone it to make it a big success for not only for you but for the society at large. And these things like extracurricular activities, be it dance, music, sports, literary activities, we might find them a part of a hobby or part of day-to-day activity. But sometimes these things which we learn beyond academics have a lot of impact on our lives later on, and we might not realize it, but then and it might impact society at large as well. I would like to share a short story to highlight how a small learning can benefit not just a person, not just a country, but the world at large. There was a farmer living in a small town in UK, and he was very poor and then just surviving on his small portion of land. One day there was a river next to his hut, and one day a group of students, children were playing, and they just told him, "Ki, Father, come, we'll teach you swimming." He said, "Oh no, what do I will do out of swimming? I don't have anything to do with the river." But then they insisted, and he eventually he had time and he learned swimming. Some days later, he was passing by his home and he saw somebody crying in the river. He was shouting, somebody was drowning. So the person, the farmer, since he already had learned swimming, he jumped into the river and saved that child. And then he just, gave him clothes and just took him to his home. Next day, he was going out to his field and he saw a huge, a cavalcade coming to his home and stopping, and then a person, probably the king of that place, appearing, and he just came and told him, "Hey, were you the person who saved that child yesterday?" He said, "Yes." Then he said, I'm father of that child and I'm king of this area and I want to thank you for that. So please accept some small gifts from me. So he had some money, jewelry and diamonds as a gift for him. He refused to do that because he hadn't saved that child just because for the gifts. Then the king saw his child playing in the hut, and he asked, "Is that your son?" The farmer said, "Yes." Then the king said, "Okay, you don't accept my gifts, but let me sponsor education of your son. I will make sure that he gets the education which my son would be getting throughout his life. So you can't, refuse to that. And he accepted. And eventually both the students studied together, they grew together and became big personalities. One of them, the farmer's son, was Alexander Fleming, who invented penicillin, after a few years. And the son of that king was Winston Churchill, one of the greatest prime ministers of UK. And both of them have had, probably a huge impact on not just their families, but history of the world altogether. So this is what the small learning of swimming to a farmer done to the world. So the lesson of the story is that when you are in campus, when you are in student life, make sure that you learn, make sure that you grow yourself, not just with the books, not just with the academics. Each learning which you will do here now in this age, someday would come back and help you become a better professional, a better citizen, and a better son for your family. So all the best, and thank you very much for this occasion.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful speech. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, love is gained, and loyalty is returned. It is SISTEC's tradition to felicitate all the members of the SISTEC family who have completed 5 years. So I would request our chairman, sir, and our chief guest, sir, to please come forward for the felicitation ceremony.
Good evening, sir. I'm sorry, the show is not going as we planned. You are a wonderful speaker, sir.
All our dignitaries can join us, please. The first name in the felicitation list is Mr. Rupesh Mehra. Please put your hands together for Mr. Rupesh Mehra. Years of service to SISTEC. Mr. Rupesh Mehra. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rupesh Mehra. Mr. Yogesh Sharma. I would request Yogesh, sir, to please come forward. Five years of service, Mr. Yogesh Sharma. Dr. Shiv Kumar Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Ms. Asta Sharma. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Asta ma'am? Mr. Sanjay Mahajan.
Sanjay Mahajan. Please put your hands together. Mr. Sandeep Kushwaha. Mr. Sandeep Kushwaha, he is given 5 years of service to SISTIC. Ms. Savitri Soni. Mr. Dilip Singh. Mr. Deepak Chare. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Deepak Chare. Mr. Praveen Thackeray. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Praveen Thackeray, 5 years of service to Sagar Institute of Science and Technology. Mr. Lalit Chauhan. Congratulations, Lalit sir. Mr. Neeraj Pratap Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. The reason behind the Wi-Fi of the Institute, Mr. Neeraj Pratap Singh. Thank you so much, sir. We love the Wi-Fi facilities here. Mr. Dharmendra Tiwari. Please put your hands together. Mr. Dharmendra Tiwari, 5 years of service to Sagar Group. Congratulations, Dharmendra sir. Ms. Meena Pandey. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Meena Pandey, 5 years of service to Saga Group. Please put your hands together. Congratulations, ma'am. Om Prakash Bhaiya. Thank you for always being there. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको ओम प्रकाश जी। रेखा भाई, आशा शर्मा जी, कृष्णा भाई, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको। शांता दीदी, राजेश भैया, मुकेश यादव भैया, केदार ठाकुर भैया, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. These people are the reason why there is no problem in mess. Good Didi. Good Didi. नवीन हरिवार भैया, वीरू सेन भैया, पुनीता गालोस दीदी and Guddi Hariwar दीदी। Thank you so much. That was the felicitation ceremony. Moving on. We are extremely glad to have our esteemed guests here with us today. So, in order that our esteemed guests cherish the memory of their being at SISTEC, we would like them to accept a token of remembrance from our side. So for that, I would request Murthy sir to please present a token of remembrance to Mr. Sopan Adhikari. Thank you so much, sir. Please put your hands together. Mr. Sopan Adhikari, our esteemed chief guest. Now I would request Principal sir to please present a token of remembrance to Mr. Dhananjay Pandey. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us here today.
देखकर मुझे हमारी कैंटीन के आलू के पराठे याद आ रहे हैं।
ऐसा क्यों?
मुझे कुछ ऐसा देखने का मन कर रहा है जिसमें सब चीज हो, जैसे आलू के पराठे।
You mean जिसमें आलू भी है, मिर्ची भी है, पराठा भी है और आटा भी है?
सेम, कुछ ऐसा जिसमें एक ही आइटम में सब कुछ देखने को मिल जाए।
तो फिर डू यू वांट टू सी वर्ल्ड डांस जिसमें कंटेम्पररी, टैप, मिसिसिपी जैसे डांस फॉर्म्स हैं?
वही तो देर किस बात की है?
ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स वेलकम सागराइट्स प्रेजेंटिंग वर्ल्ड डांस।
Huge round of applause for Sagarites. It's District 78.
Thank you so much. That was a mesmerizing performance, and the credit for the success of this act goes to Ruby ma'am and Pooja ma'am. Can you please have the lights? Thank you so much. Our students have made a lot of efforts to make this function what it is today. A 14-member student organizing committee was set up that was organizing each and every step of Saga Fiesta. The names of these students are Seema, Tejas, Vikram, Himanshu, Sarvesh, Shubham, Siddhant, Saddam, Vaibhav, Akanksha, Sarvesh Shastri, Devbrat Batele. So please can we have a huge round of applause for these students.
And two of the most important students behind the success of Sagar Fiesta, Salman Mirza and Gyan Shashwat. Can we have a huge round of applause for both of them?
They have been continuously putting their efforts since the past 3 years to make every Saga Fiesta successful. So ladies and gentlemen, once again I would request you this time, please continue clapping for a long time. A huge round of applause, Salman Mirza and Gyan Shashwat. Mr. Gyan Shashwat is the President of the Student Activity Council, and we would like to take this opportunity to invite him to say a few words. So please welcome Mr. Gyan Shashwat.
Okay. First of all, thank you Rohit and Mikhail. It's a wonderful introduction. Moving on, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honors, respected Chairman Sir, Siddharth Sir, Pawan Sir, esteemed educationists of Sagar family, all HODs, faculty members, and my lovely friends. A very good evening to all of you. I, on the behalf of all students of SysTech, feel privileged to stand before you as the President of the Student Activity Council, SAC, of SysTech. I'm here to share my views about SysTech. All the ups and downs and all the real life experiences made our engineering as a fantastic one. I still remember the day, 18th August 2010, when our batch joined SysTech. And our whole life got changed. From a notice student to a studious one, from a singer to a coder, from a learner to a trainer, I have played all these roles throughout this engineering. The best thing about SysTech is you just take a step forward and you will get support from every corner of SysTech, either in academics or in other activities like sports, extracurriculars, and training and placements. You can learn things from several activities like Sagar Sarthi, Sagar Manthan, and Sagar Fiesta. Every year, more than 150 volunteers work for the success of these events. Every student contributes in these events in their own way. I appreciate their sincere efforts towards SysTech. I am thankful to the management of SysTech for introducing SAC and giving me a privileged post in the SAC to represent all the students of SysTech. I find myself that I have fulfilled all the responsibilities, but if I have made any of the mistake, I apologize for those mistakes. I have learned from everyone in SysTech, from ED sir to the support staffs. Everyone has taught me something good about life. So I am attached to every part of this college. The best part of of the scholars is my friends. They always make me feel special. Sometimes they make fun of me, but at the same time, we cry together. We laugh together. Sometimes we have huge fights on silly things, but we love to be with each other. Words cannot express my feelings for them. All the memories of Sister are right now in my mind, and I'm running short of words. I'm bit emotional as this year is the last year and 2.5 months is just behind. So, for a small glimpse, of our journey at SysTech, let's have a look on a small video clip. Sound. Sound, please. At last, I would like to say to my juniors that it's never too late to start something. So, never give up. Just arise and don't stop until you reach your goal. And concluding, I would like to thank all members of Sagar family. I love you all. I'm going to miss you all. And 2 lines from a famous song. बातें भूल जाती हैं, but यादें याद आती हैं. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gyan Shashwat.
Thank you. As we all know, students in today's time are not focusing on the activities that they are supposed to focus on. Rather, some of us focus on things that are secondary instead of the things that we are supposed to focus on, like our studies or academics. So representing the same ideology, our next act is a skit called Aakhir Mudda Kya Hai. So please welcome Sagarites presenting Aakhir Mudda Kya Hai.
हमारी इस व्यंग रचना के सभी पात्र काल्पनिक संबंधित नहीं है। इनका वास्तविकता से कोई दूर का संबंध है। कृपया इसे दिल पर लगने दें और बात को बढ़ने दें। मैं समय अपनी गति से चलता हूं। मैंने सभी दौर देखे हैं। एक वो वक्त था और एक ये वक्त है। हमने बड़े बड़े लक्ष्य तो तय कर लिए, पर उन्हें हासिल करने के लिए अपना ध्यान केंद्रित नहीं कर पाए, फोकस नहीं कर पाए। आइए जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि आखिर मुद्दा क्या है।
हेलो, ओह हाय, आज से फिर कॉलेज नहीं आई ना? पता है, मैंने रात में की नींद से की है। मैं नहीं मिलनी तुझे, तू जा, भाड़ में जा, बाय।
अरे त्रिशा, किसका फोन था? जरा हमें भी तो बताओ।
वही तुम्हारा रीसेंट क्रश।
सिर्फ तुम्हें ही फोन करती है ये, हमें तो मिस्ड कॉल भी नहीं देती।
अरुण, अबे सुन तो।
क्या है यार?
अरे वो कल के मैच का क्या हुआ बे?
क्या होगा यार, हार गए इंडिया। ये विराट से खेलते तो बनता नहीं है, कैप्टन बना दिया उसे। फोर्टनाइट का मजाक देखना कर दिया यार।
अबे क्या भाई, क्रिकेट में लगे रहते हो।
अबे कभी फीफा के एड्रेनलिन को भी फील करके देखो यार।
अबे जाबे, 4 दिन एंड्रॉइड पे उंगलियों के चला ली, खुद को रोनाल्डो समझने लगा।
अबे तू जा जा, वो गली में जाके खेल।
जय 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 जय, बैठ। पूरे टाइम लड़ाई मत किया करो यार, बस भी करो। अरे छोड़ तू, 5 कटिंग लगा तू इस टेबल पे।
मेरे को तो कोल्ड कॉफी विद आइसक्रीम चाहिए।
मैडम टपरे पे बैठी हो तुम, होटल में नहीं। अरे छोटू, तू 5 कटिंग लगा जल्दी और एक चैनल चेंज कर यार, और आवाज बढ़ा इसकी।
अरे यार, ये क्या लगा दिया? ये लोग तो बैठी हुई, ये भी कोई देखने की चीज है यार।
देख भाई, देख।
संसद की कार्रवाई शुरू की जाए।
गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम कुछ पेंडिंग मुद्दों पर अपनी चर्चा जारी रखेंगे। उससे पहले मैं आप लोगों की अटेंडेंस ले लूं। पहले सदन में उपस्थित महिलाएं अपने अपने हाथ उठाएं। अब पुरुषों की उपस्थिति तो शायद तभी बढ़ेगी जब इन्हों की कोटा ढीले की नौबत आ जाए।
चालू गुरुजी, संसद की कार्रवाई तो होती रहेगी, जरा तक जुमला तो छेड़िए। हाँ, अरे बोलिए जी, आज तो आप भी आई रही, और कहाँ हैं आपके और सरदार? देखिए, मोदिया जी के लिए एक्सेलेंट है। अपना ब्यूटीफुल होने पे अपना गुरु ना कीजिए, सब दूर दिन की ही मस्ती है। अरे आपकी खूबसूरती तो तबे तक की है जब तक फेयर लवली सकती है। बिहेव योरसेल्फ चालू जी। मैं कमिंग। मिस्टर खिचड़ीवाल, व्हाट इज दिस एटीट्यूड? आप इतना
ये कैसे हो गए? सर, मैं तो मेट्रो से ट्रैवल करता हूँ ना, और मेरी तबीयत भी खराब है। मुझे बर्ड फ्लू हो गया है, बर्ड फ्लू। बर्ड फ्लू? वो तो मुर्गी का होता है। हाँ हाँ, आप लोगों ने कुदा के मुझको मुर्गा तो बना ही दिया है, तो मुझे बर्ड फ्लू ही होगा ना। अरे ये कितनी बाजी, जब हम मुर्गा बन ही गए हैं, तो सुबह सुबह आपके मुर्गे ने अंडा भी दिया होगा। आपने तो ससुराल संसार में आदत का मजा भी ले लेते। अरे जाहिल अंतर गवार आदमी, क्या बेतुकी बातें कर रहा है?
मेरा गधा गधों का लीडर कहता है कि दिल्ली जाकर सब मांगे अपनी कौम की मैं मनवा कर आऊंगा, नहीं तो घाट न खाऊंगा।
बाप रे बाप, हमारे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इस तरह बिहेव करते हैं? मछली बाजार बना रखा है हमारी संसद को। इट्स रिडिकुलस यार, डेमोक्रेसी की तो धज्जियां उड़ा के रख दी इन लोगों ने।
सच में इन लोगों को तो हमारे देश की कोई सुध ही नहीं है। अब समझ में आता है कि निर्भया की ऐसी हालत क्यों हो गई।
हाँ यार, जिन्हें हमने हमारी जिम्मेदारी सौंपी है, उन लोगों ने तो जिम्मेदारी का बिल्कुल मजाक बना रखा है यार।
गाइस, इतने स्कैम्स, इन्फ्लेशन, करप्शन, पोल्यूशन, टेररिज्म, उत्तराखंड का डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, समझ ही नहीं आता है कि हमारा देश किस तरफ जा रहा है। और अब तो जीके की बुक में एक और स्टेज भी बढ़ गया है यार।
वाह, क्या हॉट टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं। अभी तो 15 अगस्त या 26 जनवरी आसपास भी नहीं, देश की बड़ी फिक्र जाहिर कर रहे हो तुम लोग। क्या बात है?
अब ये सुन, हम लोग यहाँ पे मजाक की मूड में नहीं है, जा अपना काम कर। हम लोग वाकई देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं।
करना चाहते हो? करके दिखाओ।
नहीं यहाँ से।
हाँ यार, सच में ऐसे अनाड़ी गंवार लोगों के भरोसे तो देश को नहीं छोड़ा जा सकता। क्यों ना हम अपनी एक लोकल पार्टी बनाए? व्हाट एन आइडिया, थैंक यू। अब ना हम कुछ साबित करके दिखाएंगे। मैं भी तुम्हें ज्वाइन करूंगी।
अरे आइए मैडम।
मैं भी।
यार दोस्तों, मगर ऐसा करने के लिए तो हमें अपनी पार्टी में कुछ दमदार लोगों को शामिल करना ही होगा, तभी बात बनेगी। कोई जानता है किसी ऐसे को?
अरे मैं है ना सोशल एक्टिविस्ट जागृति देवी, क्यों ना हम उन्हें अप्रोच करें।
गुड आइडिया, चलो उनके पास चलते।
चलो।
आदर्श, तुम नहीं चलोगे क्या?
यार तुम लोग जाओ, मेरे कुछ और भी कमिटमेंट्स हैं, और आजकल कोचिंग का थोड़ा टाइम भी एक्सटेंड हो गया है। यू पीपल कैरी ऑन।
तू पढ़ाई कर बेटा, अपना पार्टी बनाओ।
ये कुछ करने चल रही है, दुनिया देखी नहीं और दुनिया बदलने चल रही है। कुछ कर गुजरने की चाह लेकर ये दीवाने खुद को साबित करने चल दिए।
नमस्ते मैडम जी। नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते। आइए। आज छात्रों की टोली यहाँ कैसे? कहीं आप लोग रास्ता तो नहीं भटक गए?
अरे मैम, आप तो हमें यूं ही शर्मिंदा कर रही हैं। हम तो आपसे एक बड़े मुद्दे पर समझाइश लेने आए थे।
कहिए, क्या बात है? अरे एक मिनट, क्या हुआ बेटा शांति?
इन गरीबों को बनने के लिए सिर्फ हम अमीरों की ही गाड़ी मिलती है। मेरी पूरी मेहनत और टैक्सी करती, उस दुनिया को मेरी गाड़ी मिली थी नीचे आने को।
शांत हो जा बेटा, मैं सब संभाल लूंगी, और अब की बार पर्दे पे तुझे नई फरारी भी दिला दूंगी। जा अंदर जाकर आराम कर।
I just hate these people.
Don't worry. Excuse me. हाँ मात्र, बाबा की गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है और एक डेथ भी हो गई है। पुलिस का चक्कर जरा संभाल लेना। हाँ तो आप लोग क्या कह रहे थे?
मैम, हम इस राजनीतिक स्थिति को देखकर थोड़ी हैरान हैं और और एक लोकल पार्टी बनाने का सोचा है।
विचार तो आपका बहुत ही नेक है।
मैम, तो हम जानना चाहते थे कि क्या आप इस नेक विचार में हमारा साथ देंगी?
बिल्कुल, मुझे कोई परेशानी नहीं है, लेकिन मेरी कुछ शर्त है। मैम, शर्त? कैसी शर्त? आप लोगों को मेरे एनजीओ के लिए सिर्फ 2 लाख का डोनेशन देना होगा, तभी मैं आपका बाहरी तौर पर समर्थन कर सकती हूँ। मैं सिर्फ बाहरी समर्थन? बच्चों, आप इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी को नहीं समझ रही हो। हमारे एनजीओ का पूरा फंड श्री निराशाराम बापू ट्रस्ट से ही आता है। आपके 2 लाख से छोटा मोटा काम तो हो ही जाएगा। पर मैम, हम इतने पैसे लाएंगे कहाँ से? आप लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं है। नहीं तो मैं आपका साथ नहीं दे सकती। आप लोग जा सकते हैं।
यार, यहाँ तो अपनी बात बनी नहीं।
ये मैडम तो सारी निकली यार।
यार, तुम चिंता मत करो, मेरे पहचान के एक और अंकल है, खुराना अंकल। हमें ना उनके पास चलते हैं। यार देखो, खुराना अंकल है ना एक रिटायर्ड गवर्नमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव है, वो हमारी मदद जरूर करेंगे। हमें उनके पास चलना चाहिए।
चलो चलते हैं।
चलो चलो।
और बल्ला, ये बता, इस महीने अपने देसी ठेके से कितनी कमाई हुई?
भैया जी, वहां से 7-8 पेटी आई होगी।
दबा। और अपने सिग्नल वाले कार्यों से कितना आया?
वहां से
चल ठीक है।
नमस्ते अंकल जी।
आओ मेरे देश के भविष्य।
अंकल जी, वो अंकल जी।
हाँ बोलो।
आपसे हमारी बात हुई थी अंकल फोन पे।
अंकल, हम लोग लोकल पार्टी बनाने का सोच रहे थे, तो हम चाह रहे थे कि आप हमारी पार्टी ज्वाइन कर लेते।
अंकल जी, अगर आप हमारी पार्टी में आ जाएं, तो हमारी पार्टी दमदार।
यार छोड़ो ये पार्टी वार्टी का चक्कर, तुम लोगों को पैसा ही कमाना है ना। मेरे पास एक मस्त जुगाड़ है, पैसों की बारिश होगी, और तुम लोगों के पास तो ये भी है।
क्या सर, क्या?
मेरे नॉलेज में एक अवैध पार्किंग का ठेका है, कहो तो तुम लोगों को दिलवा दो।
नहीं अंकल जी, हमें तो माफ कर दीजिए।
सॉरी अंकल।
बल्लो,
सब कुछ सीखा हमने, न सीखी दुनियादारी। सच है दुनिया वालों कि हम है नारी।
यार, यहाँ भी अपने डालने के लिए।
हाँ यार, अब तो किसी बड़े पब्लिक फिगर को पकड़ना पड़ेगा।
एक सुपरस्टार तो फिलहाल शहर में भी है ना।
हाँ यार, मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट को तो भूल ही गए। चलो उनके पास चलते हैं। चलो।
उतरी। ये तो बहुत गलत हो गया। यू नो मी, समीर, सब जानते, मुझे सब जानते हैं। मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ क्यों? प्रमोशन, सत्यमेव जयते प्रमोशन करने आया हूँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
प्लीज ऑटोग्राफ। ओह माय गॉड।
तो मेरा शो देखा आपने, सत्यमेव जयते, कैसा लगा?
सर बहुत अच्छा सर, बहुत अच्छा। आपको हमारे सर सर आप जो हमारे देश के लिए कर रहे हैं सर, गजब है सर, गजब है। यू आर जस्ट ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट।
और तो बताइए क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ मैं आपकी, क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ?
सर हम चाह रहे थे कि आप हमारी पार्टी ज्वाइन कर लेते।
और यार क्या है कि मेरा साइनिंग अमाउंट है 6 करोड़ और मेरा जो टॉपअप है वो है 80 लाख। और तो मेरे सेक्रेटरी से तुम टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन ले लो और वो तुम्हें बता देगा।
हम तो स्टूडेंट है, सॉरी सर।
ओ यार एक काम कर यार, सॉरी मत बोल यार, 3 लोगों की मदद कर।
सर
आप बोल रहे हो 3 लोगों की मदद करो, सॉरी मत बोलो, और सर आप हमें खुद मना कर रहे हो सर। ये क्या है कि यार मैंने बोला 3 लोगों की मदद कर, तुम लोग 5 हो यार, 5 हो। तो तुमसे अफोर्ड हो पाए तो ठीक है, वरना मैं चलता हूँ।
सर
यार ये तो देश को बदलने चले थे, बड़ी जल्दी वापस आए। दोस्तों हमारे साथ तो कोई देने नहीं वाला, जैसा सोचा था वैसा हुआ नहीं।
सब मुखोटे, असलियत तो कुछ हो रही है यार।
अरे पड़ी किसको देश की, सबको तो बस पैसा उठाना चाहिए, और अब तो हमें लग रहा है कि हमारी भी बस की कुछ नहीं है यार।
ये लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर पाएंगे?
अरे ये लोकसभा टीवी देखकर पार्टी बनाने निकले थे, लगता है ज्यादा कुछ हाथ नहीं लगा इनके। तुम एप्टीट्यूड पे फोकस करो ना।
पार्टी, वो भी अभी। आई एम सरप्राइज्ड।
दोस्तों हम तो अपने इंजीनियर ही अच्छे, शायद इतने अच्छे नहीं तो इतने बुरे भी नहीं यार।
बुरा को देकर मैं चला, बुरा न मिले आपको, और जो चाहता पर आपना मुझसे बुरा न हो।
अरे गाइस, ये तुम लोग कहाँ लगे हो? पता है एग्जाम सर पर है और नेक्स्ट ईयर से तो कंपनी लाइन अप है।
गाइस अब तो तुम लोग सच में पढ़ लो यार।
तुम लोग मतलब?
यार मैं तो प्लेसमेंट में बैठूंगा नहीं, मुझे तो बस एसी होना।
क्यों बे, ऐसे क्या जुगाड़ है तेरी?
यार मैं अपने डैड की कंपनी में एज ए ट्रेनी ज्वाइन कर लूंगा।
अरे कंपनी खुद की, ऊपर से तू ट्रेनिंग, ये क्या बात है भाई?
यार देख मेरे डैड की आइडियोलॉजी कि अगर नीचे से ऊपर जाओगे तभी किसी बड़े जिम्मेदारी को निभा पाओगे।
अबे ओए, इसका तो सब सेट है यार, अब अपना क्या होगा? सिर्फ आरजीबी करिकुलम की बात नहीं है, अभी तो हमें टेक्निकल एप्टीट्यूड, कॉम स्किल्स, कितने सारी चीजों पे काम करना है यार। क्या करें हम अपन?
कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई। क्या करे ये कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई।
1 month later, Adarsh got placed.
I'm so happy. I have done it यार, I have done it सिमरा।
आदर्श क्या खुशखबरी है?
यार 9.2 CGPA के बाद कैंपस प्लेसमेंट भी हो गई। मैं जिस टारगेट को लेके यहाँ आया था ना, मैंने वो अचीव कर लिया। आई एम सो हैप्पी। तुम मिठाई खाओ।
यार अब अपना क्या होगा? कॉन्ग्रेट्स यार, कॉन्ग्रेट्स, जो तूने बोला था वो कर दिखाया यार।
थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू।
लेकिन अब हम क्या करें यार? तुम लोग ना कंफ्यूज्ड हो। अगर स्टार्टिंग से एक टारगेट पे फोकस किया होता ना तो आज बात कुछ और होती दोस्त। अबे यार तू तो टॉपर बनना है, तू ना ज्यादा ज्ञान मत दे मुझे। हमें तो देश की क्या देश की बे? देश की फिक्र करोगे? पहले खुद की फिक्र तो कर लो। तुम्हें तो अटेंडेंस तक के लिए टीवी को 10 बार फोन करना होता है, असाइनमेंट्स टाइम पे सबमिट नहीं करते हो, फिर सेशनल्स कब मिलते हैं तो रोते हो। खुद के ठिकाने नहीं चले सिस्टम को बदल लें। और तुम भी तो वही गलती कर रहे हो जिसे तुम गलत कहते हो। जरूरी तो नहीं पार्टी बनाई जाए, नेता बना जाए, तभी देश की सेवा कर सको। क्या एक अच्छा इंजीनियर देश की सेवा नहीं करता? जो कर रहे हो उसमें अपना बेस्ट दो, उसे पूरे दिल से करो, तो देश के, समाज के और खुद के और इस पूरी दुनिया के काम आ सकते हो, अपना योगदान दे सकते हो।
तो देखा आप लोगों ने हमारी युवा पीढ़ी के लिए मुद्दा क्या है? उन्हें न अपनी क्षमताओं का एहसास है, न ही उनसे जुड़ी सीमाओं की समझ। अगर हम कुछ हासिल करना ही चाहते हैं तो हमें अपनी सोच, अपने प्रयासों को लक्ष्य की ओर केंद्रित करना ही होगा। धन्यवाद।
Message from this skit is very clear. And behind the success of this skit, Sumita ma'am, Harshit sir, Lokesh sir and Vivek sir are the responsible ones.
Moving forward, let me introduce you with our next act. Our next act is नृत्य नाटिका। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, हमारी युवा पीढ़ी ये भूलती जा रही है कि हमारे पालनकर्ता इस धरती का आधार और हर मुसीबत में हमारे ऊपर किसका हाथ रहता है, जिनके कृपा के बिना हम इस सृष्टि की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। तो आइए हम जानते हैं भगवान विष्णु के ही अवतार मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम जी और देवी सीता के जीवन चरित्र के बारे में एक नृत्य नाटिका के द्वारा।
full performance, and the credit for Nritya Natika goes to Shweta.
Swami Vivekananda has rightly said, practical patriotism does not refer to a mere sentiment or emotion of love for the motherland, but a passion to serve our fellow countrymen. The educational and cultural diversity that India possesses outweighs every other country. But as Indians, are we aware of the incredible potential that we possess? Are we aware of the strength of unity? Ladies and gentlemen, it is our duty that we do our best for the motherland and set an example in front of world that prosperity can only be achieved through unity, and education can only reach its zenith if provided with the freedom of creativity and innovation.
At SysTech, we realize this. We believe in complete servitude for our country. That is why at SysTech, we work hard every day throughout the year so that we can harness the true potential of our students and give the country people who possess excellence in education. So with these words, let us welcome Sagarites for their patriotic song. So please put your hands together.
Indeed a mind-blowing performance, and the credit for this performance goes to Pranjali ma'am, Swati ma'am and Yatem sir. The sweetest blessings are those that are won with prayer and won with thanks. This night has indeed been a night filled with joy and exciting performances. John C. Maxwell has rightly said that leaders must be close enough to relate to people and far enough ahead so as to motivate them.
On behalf of the entire team of Sagar Fiesta, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to Dr. Swati Saxena, Vice Principal, Sister Gandhinagar, and the convener of Sagar Fiesta 2014. She has always been there on each and every step of Sagar Fiesta's preparation, guiding an entire team in the right direction. We feel proud to invite her to deliver the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our beloved Swati ma'am.
Madam, before you propose a vote of thanks. Hello? Madam, before you propose a vote of thanks, let me assume myself as the representative of the entire Sagar family, and let me thank you as the representative of the entire Sagar Fiesta group. So on behalf of the entire sister family, on behalf of all the spectators, on behalf of everybody who watched such a wonderful, such a graceful, such a quality program, each and every event was exceptionally well appreciated by the audiences, and I'm sure everybody would agree with me on this. So, as a token of our gesture, I invite you on behalf of the entire Sagar Fiesta troupe, entire Sagar Fiesta team, to please come on the stage and accept our thanks and token of appreciation. Please. For this, I would request respected Dadi ji, if she is here, so आप वहाँ जा सकते हैं? नहीं है? हाँ, तो मैडम अग्रवाल से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, प्लीज आप. See, it's a coincidence that this year is the International Year for Women. So two women appreciating each other. What a nice moment. Maithili madam, please. So I think this was the only unplanned event. Please excuse me for that. And with this I invite the entire Fiesta group, if some of you are here, Abhishek, Astha, I can see Ruby, Sumita. Please join us. This is for you. Thank you very much for organizing such a nice event, entertaining us with such great extent, and helping us feel proud that we are part of a really good organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. As sir said, this was really the unplanned event which even I was not knowing. Thank you so much. This was a teamwork, and let me do the formality of giving a vote of thanks. So, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Swapan Adhikari, our guest of honor, Mr. Dhananjay Pandey, our Chairman Sir, Siddharth Sir, Pawan Sir, Murthy Sir, our overseas guest, all principals and vice principals of Sagar family, head of the departments, members of faculties, and my dear students. It's my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of Sagar Fiesta 2014, our flagship event of SISTIC. Thank you all for gracing us with your presence on this annual function of our institute. Your presence, today is a great source of motivation to the entire SysTech family. On behalf of the chairman and SysTech family, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants of Sagar Fiesta for showcasing their talent and entertaining us. Due to their dedication and hard work, the show has been reaching greater heights year after year. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Sopan Adhikari, and our guest of honor, Mr. Dhananjay Pandey, for taking out their invaluable time and encouraging our students with their presence. You truly are a source of inspiration to all of us. Let me express my sincere regards to our beloved Chairman Sir for always believing in us and guiding us at every step. I take this opportunity to thank our Secretary, Mr. Siddharth Agrawal, Executive Director, Mr. Pawan Grover, Director of Academics, Dr. Ramesh Sundarmurthy, for their constant guidance and support in making this event a grand success. I offer my sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. Manish Billore, for his enthusiasm, encouragement, motivation, and support in the preparation and execution of this annual day celebration. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires a bird eye for the details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their job and are result-oriented. So I feel overwhelmed in appreciating and paying my gratitude to the members of organizing committee, all faculty members, Kushwaha sir, Pradeep Patil, manager admin, Prasad sir and his team, the support staff, our stage decoration team, Ramesh Bhaiya, all the students for working tirelessly and endlessly in ensuring the smooth execution of this event. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Lastly, I would like to thank each one of you present here this evening for giving us your precious time and encouraging us to excel in our endeavor. Ladies and gentlemen, at last, let's put our hands together once again for the entire team for scaling new heights yet again. We thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you to all of you for being such a wonderful audience. We will see you once again next year, same place, at Expressions, so you can enjoy the closing ceremony of Saga Fiesta. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, for being with us here tonight. And you can move to the basketball court for lunch, for dinner, and the faculty members and the dignitaries can have the dinner at the back of the Expressions. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Saga Fiesta 2014, inspire, imbibe, innovate, looking beyond boundaries. Thank you so much. The students are requested to have their dinner. They can move to the basketball court, and the faculty members and the dignitaries can move to the back of the Expressions to have their dinner. And you can enjoy the closing ceremony of Saga Fiesta 2014. The dinner for the faculty members and the dignitaries is in front of the pharmacy building at the lawn. Thank you so much.